Is it possible to compound $10 using supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. Beautiful. This opportunity is so majestical. Let me show you guys something. I know you guys might see me enter before I draw the zone, but this only happens because, you know, when you've been doing something for a very long time and at the ISA level, you know, you start to see stuff very easily. You know what I mean? So that's the reason why for you it's best to draw the zone first and stuff before you enter. When you become a pro, it's a different thing. Okay, I'm taking this, and let me tell you guys something. Many of who uses this supply and demand strategy, I can guarantee you whenever I release these videos, they watch it entirely to the end. You know why I know that? Because during the videos I give a lot of nuggets, okay, and I purposefully do it so that the viewer who watches the entire video will get the most value. Okay, because supply and demand is one of like the most elite strategy, right? And the reason why it's one of the most elite strategy, it's actually the fundamentals of everything. Like every single pattern you see created on the chart was created because of supply and demand. Every single pattern, every one. Okay, I can tell you this because I know about candlestick psychology by heart. Okay, remember, my videos are not scripted, so everything I say to you, I'm saying to you from my heart. Okay, so when I say to you that, guys, make sure you watch the entire video, there will be multiple pro tips, I mean it. Okay, because someone commented the other day, oh, they flipped their account so good. I was like, I could know that person watched the entire video and listened to the video and try to understand. Okay, because I literally give the nuggets in the video, but throughout the video I will give the nuggets, not like in one time, or because I'm talking while I'm actually trading. I want you guys to understand this, right? This is my actual trading session. So it's not like I have a script talking from or something like that. I'm talking from my heart while I take the trade. I'm just showing you guys my thought process throughout my trading session. Okay, beautiful. This is so good. This is so good, guys. If you notice here, we have a color pattern, plus we have the demand area. Okay, you see this green, red, plus the demand area. We can expect price to go higher because in the financial markets, when you add multiple confluences together, it strengthens the trade. Okay, and I want you guys to understand that when you see me trading, I'm trading with a combination of confluences. This is such a beautiful example. You remember I told you guys about the doji supplies and demand areas, right? Look at this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to draw this, because I know you guys might see these types of demand on your charts and you don't know what to do. So I'm going to explain. When you see the doji, right, what you do, you draw it from the top of the doji right there, and then you draw it from the bottom of the candle which engulfs the doji. You don't draw it from the bottom of the doji because it's too thin. So what I'm saying, you draw it from the body, it's better. I'm taking this one, guys, and I want you guys to notice something right here. Just pay attention. Let me draw this because I love to draw the areas to show people who might be new to the channel. I know some of you might be to the channel a long time, so you're used to the drawings, but nevertheless, it's never too much to teach. But look how beautiful this candle came down. This candle right here, it created an inverted hammer. So I was expecting the price to at least go higher. Okay, my entry almost be a bad one. The thing here, guys, I didn't want to miss this opportunity, to be honest with you. But let's see what's gonna happen. I'm expecting a strong rejection here because the price is very strong. My entry is like right on the line, so I think that's fine. But the main thing I want to show you guys right here is that we're in a consolidation market, famously known as ranging market, right? And whenever we're in these type of markets too, demand and supplies work very well, because the reason why we have a ranging market from the beginning was because the supply and demand is the price is bouncing through supply and demand, and that creates ranging markets. Okay,
apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level.
nice one. No guys, I did want to miss this opportunity, and this one came right in my entry point area, and I didn't want to miss this, guys. So it was this, I know you guys are not really seeing behind the scenes, but let me tell you guys, this trade is very amazing. Just look how the price is exactly on the wick of the candle. Look at this, look at that. You're seeing this 4K. You see the accuracy of supply and demand is just so marvelous. I don't know, it's just so magical, you know. Yes, I'm taking this one right here. The beauty about this trade I like is that you notice how far my entry point is. My entry point is really good, and the reason for that is I noticed that this area, it's very fine, right? It's very small, and whenever I see these type of areas, I like to take my entry beyond the zone. Okay, I'm gonna take this right here, guys. The reason why I'm taking this, I see the beautiful new trend forming, and if you pay attention very closely, you could see that this trend is very fresh, and when trends are very fresh, they're usually very accurate and good to go with. If you want to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship today. This will be the end of my video. Peace out.